If your IRA or 401k is still stock heavy, you're more exposed than you think. The market cycle has changed, and so has my view. Gold is no longer defensive, it's directional, and here's why. Markets are more concentrated than I've ever seen. A small handful of stocks is carrying the entire market. That means millions of retirement accounts are riding the same trade. When that trade breaks, diversification disappears fast. At the same time, debt is extreme. Inflation hasn't really gone away, and the dollar keeps losing purchasing power. That's how savings get squeezed, sometimes slowly, sometimes all at once. What caught my attention wasn't a headline or a theory, it was the data. Gold and silver didn't just hold up, they've hit new records. They've outperformed the S&P 500 over the past 2 years. That doesn't happen by accident. That's money moving ahead of risk. Even big banks like Morgan Stanley and JP Morgan now recommend gold and silver in every portfolio. And the only company I recommend is Priority Gold. Why? They focus on education, not pressure. They make it simple to own physical gold and silver delivered to you or added to a retirement account. If you want to understand how this works, they put together a free gold and silver guide. Just take out your phone and text DENT, capital D-E-N-T, to the number 24999. That's all capital letters. That's DENT to 24999 to request your free gold and silver info guide. Get informed before the next phase of this cycle makes the decision for you. Text the DENT to the number 2499 to get your free information guide now.